bird flew into my dryer, and now it's escaped, and it's in my house, and I gotta get it out. Where is Bird? I can't see him.
Okay.
I'm scared. Oh my God!
What?
Oh, I'm so scared. It's
happened?
on top of the shelf, just perching
That's
down.
what I thought!
Holy cow. There you are, you old ding dong. I've never been more afraid of an animal in my life. Look at that dagger mouth. Oh. Oh. Okay, so it's moved from the shelf to there. We're trying to give it the space it needs to just get out. Come on.
Come on, birdie.
Sweet bird.
Can we coax it with some
Nectar.
seeds, perhaps?
The worm.
And a worm. And a soothing bird bath. Like tap on the window.
Do I get a broom and try to...
That's cool. Whoa, come here, birdie. Come here, sweetie. Oh, poor thing's shivering. I will never hurt you, not while I'm around. People will find you everywhere. Not something I don't care. No one's gonna hurt you. Not while I'm around.
All right, bird. Be free.